If you've got a baby in Siem Reap and you need to buy baby stuff, you come to Baby Outlet.
Yeah, Baby Outlet.
That's right.
Yeah.
And they're very careful here, so I've been sanitised with my hands. I'm wearing a mask because we're all careful. COVID-19?
Yeah, COVID-19.
But. And have a look at all the baby stuff that you can get here, and I'm going to show you some of the things you can get, and also that I might need to get. So that's it. So let's have a look and see what you can get here.
I'm single.
Hey?
I think you are single.
You think I'm single? Oh, is that why you're nice to me? Nah. Look, I can't wear my ring because mukam.
Oh, mukam.
Mukam here.
Mukran.
Siem Barang.
Oh, Siem Barang Pai.
Siem Barang Pai. Siem Barang Pai. Chinyang. Mukam. They're very lovely here. So let's have a look here. This is what Kinal was looking for. Some of these baby kids things. Jelly iron drink, apple flavour. So that's really good to know because we're just trying to find some snacks for Max, and I think they've got them. That's really good. They've got a lot of formula. Formula here is a big deal. Kinal's breastfeeding Max, and a lot of the locals, or a lot of our local friends, have actually said you should just put formula. Formula's better. Formula. It's all about formula. But all the doctors at home are all about breastfeeding. Look at this. They've got aisles and aisles and aisles of formula. It's a shitload of formula. Here we go. Some more snacks. That's really good. There's actual baby food here, which is excellent. Some crackers. I don't think I'll be feeding my kid Temmie's Choco Flakes, but when he's older. What's going on here? That's a bloody cornflakes rip-off. What's all that about? Anyway, here's your nappies. We've got a wall of nappies here. The tenner for those. I'm not allowed to film the prices, but I think that's inevitable. So what I'll do is I won't say them out loud. Super soft diapers. You got a whole heap of diapers. Or nappies. I'll call them nappies. That's really, really good. And they're not that expensive either, from what I can tell. Bottles, little juggo thingos. Here's your little milks, little Milos. What else you got here? Insure Gold, isn't that for old people? United States #1. #1 what? The writing is so small. It's the #1 blah, 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 recommended something or other. Seppos, get your advertising in line. We've got our containers, things, sippy cups. This is actually like a baby bunting actually now. Look, you got your little munchkin sippy cups here. What's that? Children's bamboo fibre grinding bowl. Got their own kids mortar and pestle. Bottle brushes. We've got everything. Pacifiers. More bottles. Not bad. They're not cheap either. It's $15 for a little bottle. What's a bottle brush worth? $4.50. $7. Not cheap. So, and you'd expect this stuff not to be cheap. We've got the pumps, breast pumps. $70 for a breast pump. Dingo. Lunch boxes. A lot of this has been, looks like it's Japanese or Chinese. Over here we've got more nappies. That's 2 walls of nappies. It's pretty good. We've got some play things, play area stuff, which is nice. A few bottles of water. Books. I wonder if they've got Khmer reading books, because Kinal really wants to teach Max Khmer critical and creative thinking. That's what I want to teach. This country is in desperate need of some critical thinking, and I'm really happy to see that. New York Times bestseller. Hang on, what's going on there? Anyway, that's really cool. Positive thinking. That's awesome. If they're Khmer books, then we are coming back here to purchase some Khmer books. We've even got musical instruments. That's really cool. Some toys, a little guitar, some drums. He can play my real guitar when he gets older. We've got just normal shampoo and other items to clean with, which is really good. We've got ladies' sanitary items here. Well, here. We've got some, what's this? Off. Jackie mosquito repellent. It's good stuff. $7. That's not cheap. It is a lot cheaper for this stuff in Australia. Razors. Little kitty kits. Clip your nails. Swabs. Look at all this stuff. Cotton things. Bog roll. Scotty! Thistle wipes. Baby wipes. Mackie. Here you go. $2. Baby wipes. Laughing. Cement truck. I wonder if we've got the same lovely tumbling stunt four-wheeler. More wonderful. Drift returns. I love the English on this stuff. The translations are just beautiful. Is that Lego? Or is that a rip-off of Lego? Looks like a Lego rip-off. More toys. Kid soap. That's really baby powder handy. More soaps and stuff. Everything you need here, actually. More wipes. It's a wall of wipes. It's not super organised, but the stuff is here. So, they've got pseudo cream. $20 and $7.50 for a small one. We bought some from back home. That's a big tub. That is good. That is excellent for nappy rash. You just cake the arse in it. That's fine. A couple of bucks for Tiger Balm. We will get Tiger Balm at some point. Band-Aids. More wipes. There's more wipes that you can poke a stick at. Toothbrushes. Everything. Toothpaste. You got a close-up? No, that ain't. But there's your lovely mint and salt. That is something you should try. Jeremy and Claire sent us some to try in Australia. It's interesting. Very interesting. Something you should try once. Thank you very much. I saw you've got...
Tomorrow come again.
No, I come with my wife. You've got...
Oh my god.
What was that?
No, just for me.
Oh, just for you?
Yeah.
How long has it been open here?
1 year.
1 year?
1 year.
1 year? That's good. And it's the only one in Siem Reap?
Only one here.
Only one here in Siem Reap? But
Phnom Penh have a lot.
this is a franchise, yep.
This franchise have just only one in Siem Reap.
Just one, but many other places, some in Battambang, Phnom Penh.
No, we have just only in Phnom Penh for the
Okay.
headquarters. The headquarters of
Okay.
our store in Phnom Penh, and we also have the other franchise, maybe around 13 franchises.
Okay.
in Phnom Penh.
So you got 13 around and the head office is in
For the
Phnom
first time
Penh.
in Siem Reap, our franchise here.
Okay, that's good. That's a very well stocked store. It's excellent. So we'll be coming back to probably get some snacks and then maybe some books for Gonyom. So here you go, guys. This is where you need to go. Baby outlet. That is the one. And just post script at there. I was just having a chat to the manager, the sales supervisor. He is a switched on bloke. He knows about 5 languages. He's been knows about 5 languages. He is studying for his masters in international relations. What was that? People are waving. It's the second time. He's a traditional dancer, and he's been sponsored to do some stuff too by a successful Israeli businessman from Sydney, his godfather. So an exceptional person, and he basically said to me he just wants to help people. He wants to get educated, do his masters, and go into politics, into international relations, so he can help his fellow Khmer person. What a beautiful, beautiful man. Anyway, go say good day, tell him I sent you. Hope you enjoyed that video. Catch us later.